Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will explore how to use the Do Not Allow Rate Below option along with Billing Rate As to enforce strict rate control in sales. So let's get started. Head to the Sale Voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here you will find an option labeled Do Not Allow Rates Below, which offers a list of predefined rate types that can be used to validate billing rates. Let's set the Do Not Allow Rate Below to MRP and observe its functionality in action. Now, as the parameter is set to MRP, the system validates the billing rate against the item's MRP. Additionally, the Billing Rate As option defines how the validation is applied. It offers two parameters. Let's take a closer look at both parameters one by one. The first parameter, billing rate, as billing rate indicates that the system compares the entered billing rate directly with the MRP, ignoring any discounts applied to the transaction. Let's have a glimpse of its functionality in action. As observed, the current billing rate is equal to the MRP. Now, let's attempt to modify the billing rate to a value lower than the MRP and proceed to the next line. As observed, the system immediately prompts an error message indicating that the billing rate cannot be less than the MRP. Now, let's enter the CD% to reduce the effective billing rate and proceed to save the bill. As observed, the system allows the bill to be saved when the billing rate is lowered using CD%. Let's get back to the sale voucher configuration and set the billing rate as billing rate minus discount. In this mode, the system checks the billing rate after applying discounts to make sure the final rate does not go below the MRP. Let's observe its functionality during billing. As observed, the billing rate is initially equal to the MRP. Now, let's try reducing the billing rate to an amount lower than the MRP and move to the next line. Upon doing so, the system immediately triggers an error message stating that the billing rate cannot be less than the MRP. Next, we apply a CD% to reduce the effective billing rate below the MRP and attempt to save the bill. Once again, the system displays an error message indicating that the billing rate cannot be below the MRP. This confirms that the system is now validating the MRP based on the billing rate after applying the discount.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.